In this video, we're going to be working on a graphics card, video card. This is the 3060 Ti, Gigabyte Eagle 3060 Ti, and it was mailed over because it's not working. Let's read what the customer wrote. Had a working card, but decided to move it to a different rig and plugged a new riser and cable and turned the power supply on, and it started to smoke. I turned off the PSU, LED works, but card does not work. We do not know if the riser card is what damaged that video card or if it's something else, but the video card is not working. So the customer mentioned smoke. Smoke is a good thing because smoke will allow us to know what burned on that motherboard. So let's go ahead and inspect the board. If something smoked, there must be a burnt component on the board or some signs of burn. MOSFETs, they look good. These are the V-Core MOSFETs. Oh, right there, right there, right there. Visible like the sun. We have a burnt component here. I do not know what this component is. I want to see if we can read what that component says on it. Probably most likely a switch. VE. It has the marking VE on it. What is VE? It's a good thing I was able to read it before because now I cannot read it no more. Okay, we're gonna go with the VE. Do we have anything similar here? We have VT. I'm pretty sure this is not a T, it's an E. Yeah. Hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure I read VE. VT, we have a lot of VTs on here. I do not know what that component is. Let's go to s-manuals.com and look up the code VE. I honestly do not know what we are looking for. We can narrow it down by looking at SOT353 and by looking at SOTs 25. Let's take a look at SOT25, analog switch. Read the PDF file, and if we look at this IC, pin number 5 is VCC, power to the chip, so the chip works. Pin number 4 is the switch, on and off. Pin number 1 in out, and pin number 2 out in. Pin number 3 is ground. Okay, let's look at another option. If we look at this one here, SOT353, read the PDF file. Pin number 1, data input, pin number 2, data input, and pin number 4, data output. So this is a different chip than the one we looked at before this one. Right now, I do not have a donor board to extract the component off and put it on this board. If anybody knows what this component is, you can leave it down in the comments, and maybe, just maybe, we can have this video card up and running again. Right now, I do not know what that component is, and it's clear that we have damage on this component. I'm going to put this video card on the side until we figure out what this component is, and I'll see if we can get our hands on a 3060 Ti graphics card, and maybe we'll pay this card another visit in another video. That's it. Short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.